Today we're going to show you how to play multiplication number battle. You're going to take a deck of cards, and if your student's in grade 3, this is a great activity to play to practice those math facts. For this game, since we encourage third graders to know their facts up to 10 times 10, we're going to take out all the face cards and we're going to use the ace as a 1 up to a 10. So we're going to divide our cards equally between two people. If you have more players, you can do that as well and include 3 or 4 players. Just divide the deck by however many people you have. And then we're going to leave our decks face down. And on our turn, we're going to pull out 2 cards and we're going to make a multiplication problem. I have 1 times 6, which is 6.
I have 3 times 10, which is 30.
So the person with the greatest amount takes both cards and we continue playing. I have 8 times 5, or 8 groups of 5, which is 40.
I have 7 groups of 4, which is 28.
So mine is greater, so I would take both. If you would happen to get the same result, you would simply pull 2 more cards up on top for each opponent and multiply again. Then the person with the greatest amount, the second equation, would take all the cards. So we'll do another round. 9 groups of 4, or 9 times 4 is 36.
5 times 10 is 50.
Okay. I have 1 group of 2, which is 2, or 1 times 2 is 2.
8 times 2 is 16.
So he has a greater amount. Now, if you wanted to introduce a little bit of strategy, we could play the game, but include the face cards. And each time you get a face card, it's like a wild card. And you can include all the face cards, or we could just throw a couple in. And if your face card comes up, you get to pick the number you want the face card to be. So it introduces a little strategy. So we'll do that real quick. You get 2 face cards. Obviously, you get to pick 2 different numbers for your equation. I'm just going to quickly divide this deck. We're going to lay 2 cards out. I have 3 groups of 4, which is 12. My opponent has
8 times a wild card.
And he's going to make his wild card what number?
10.
So his equation will be 8 times 10, or
80.
And since I have 12, he gets both. And again, you play just like you did before. He has he has 2 wild cards this time, so he can choose 2 numbers.
That'll be both 10 and 10, so 10 times 10 is 100.
I have 9 times 10, which is 90. Now, you could either play, if they have the same face card, they have to make it the same number, or it could just be a wild and they could choose any number they want. Again, you continue to play until someone has more cards or you're out of time, and you just count up how many cards each person has, and the person with the most is the winner.